This is village Setang. And yeah, green again. थोड़ा और आगे से दिखाती हूँ.
थोड़ा आगे से होगा maybe.
थोड़ा टर्न से शायद.
Yep.
थोड़ा और क्लियर आए.
Oh, there's a lovely bridge coming up.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I think it's to the left.
Wow.
Above the hill, right? On the hill.
Yeah, on the hill. ऊपर अभी दिख नहीं रहा है यहाँ से, but
छोटा मोटा लैंडमार्क है.
Wow.
All right, here we go, folks. It's very wide down here.
Ferry. Wow. अब यहाँ से शायद.
हाँ, maybe सेतांग दिखना चाहिए.
ये दिख रहा है. सेतांग.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright folks, so the mystery ends. ये देखिए हम यहाँ नीचे से अभी इमर्ज हुए हैं and जो कैरी ने अभी बोर्ड दिखाया, I'll just show that again from our window. There, over there. This is your sign that you've merged onto the main road that takes you to Padum.
Yeah.
And I have to say ये नीचे वाला detour बहुत ही comfortable और बहुत ही scenic रहा है क्योंकि ऊपर वाला mostly dusty है as you see.
Dusty है.
But now there's no more avoidance. But you know, we've never been the ones to grudge a dusty road. It's fun.
Exactly. And यही है ऊपर वाला जो route है जो पुरने से आ रहा है and यहाँ merge हो रहा है.
That.
Yes.
There you go. So everything comes a full circle.
Yeah, and it does save a lot of time because जो पुरने वाला route है, जब आप पुरने क्रॉस करके ब्रिज लेते हैं पदम की तरफ, so it goes like uphill, zigzag, and it's all dusty and it merges here. And on the other hand, हम बहुत ही अच्छे road पे आए हैं, metal road.
बहुत comfortable था और बहुत scenic था. Now let's beat the dust up ahead. Here we go.
So the road is. But yeah, not complaining, just saying.
Yeah, just saying. अब जरा थोड़ा जो beautiful patch आया था, थोड़ा सा उसका toll collect कर रही है.
Yeah.
As you can see. Alrighty.
Good, pretty.
Oh yeah.
So after that diversion, Padam around 1 hour 15-20 minutes रहता है. हम थोड़ा आगे हैं इसलिए 1 hour 8 minutes है. इससे पहले अगर आप पदम डालेंगे तो वो आपको पूरा बारालाचा ले से हाँ और 21 घंटे दिखाएगा. So don't worry about it. It's not 21 hours.
अभी उसे मालूम नहीं है.
Yes, exactly. So अभी Padam is just 1 hour 8 minutes and we are dying of hunger. यहाँ पे अपने पास कुछ ना कुछ रखना because यहाँ पे रास्ते में हमें तो कोई ढाबा नहीं दिखाया.
नज़ारे हैं, आँखें आपकी satisfied रहेंगी.
Soul satisfied रहेगी, आँखें satisfied रहेगी, but पेट नहीं भरेगा.
Sarab River is ever pretty.
Yep.
But पेट को नहीं चलता है. पहुँच गए हैं, ladies and gentlemen, that is village Ichar. और यहाँ पर ऊपर कुछ बहुत ही बढ़िया होने वाला है. From the looks of it, we're gonna go up there. Hopefully lunch भी मिल जाए. But अगर नहीं भी मिला, this is too good to miss. So we're going to go up and take this turn. Right, so this is the upper part of Ichar और ऐसे लग रहा है कि अभी developmental stage में है.
Yes. ये नीचे there are some kids playing volleyball. That's the government school and that's the Geo Tower. So हम इसे नीचे वाले रोड पे जाएंगे to find out if there's something to eat or there's some shop where we can buy something. We are going up there.
Yep, looks like a beautiful ancient monastery at village Ichar. इसके बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं है.
अभी पूछते हैं लोकल से and प्लीज कोई शॉप मिल जाए. बहुत भूख
लगी है भाई. But what a quaint little village it is.
It is beautiful.
In the heart of the countryside.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It is amazing.
किबर की फीलिंग आ रही है, right?
हाँ.
Nobody's around.
Let's go there and ask. कुरकुरे ही मिल जाए.
Feels old.
It does. नाको के अंदर का विलेज भी ऐसा है. किबर भी ऐसा है.
बिल्कुल. अरे, this is quintessential Himalayas, I tell you.
Yeah.
I think this is the way up, folks. from the stupa and the railings begin here.
Yep, 1 second. मैं इस वाली इधर अगर कोई शॉप है तो पूछ लूँ.
All right, you want to check that out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see.
Entrance हो.
ये भी एक approach है वैसे.
Is there any
nothing.
entrance? Nothing.
I think we'll have to stay hungry for some time more.
Oh, that's okay. चलो.
चलिए.
इधर से चलते हैं.
Yeah. The icy wind begins.
Yep.
Right.
Wow. ये सारा डेवलप हो रहा है अभी.
Lot of work in progress.
Yes.
But yes, the village is expanding for sure. पहले हम वहाँ ऊपर पहुँच गए थे. ऊपर भी कुछ है in fact which we seem to missed. Okay. Wow. It's a proper complex everybody. सामने भी एक stupas का cluster है on the ledge. That's lovely.
व्यू तो फॉर श्योर बहुत सुंदर होगा यहाँ से.
Yeah, hoping for a great view really. और बहुत चढ़ के आना पड़ा है मेन रोड से.
I have zero energy. But
I can feel you.
कुछ खाने को दे दो.
Look at this. Beautiful. Can't wait for the view from up above. Here we go. There's River Sarap in the background, in the valley. बहुत नीचे छोड़ आए हैं. चलिए, moving ahead. Okay, सीढ़ियाँ भी कोई कम नहीं.
अरे बाप रे.
It's going to be at the absolute ledge of the whole mountain. Taking a pause, are we?
Trying my
Right.
races.
तब तक ये देखिए. That's the whole village Ichar in all its glory.
हम मैगी खाते नहीं है पर मैगी मिल जाए.
वही मिल जाए आज वो भी चलेगा.
सुबह शुक्र है परांठा खा लिया था एक. बट हम लोगों ने इतनी वॉक करी, हम लोग इतना चले हैं कि we have zero energy right now.
True that. Look at that lovely Buddha statue. Oh, it's windy, it's rocky, it's high up. Oh, lovely.
अरे
Hey, how much
कितना
more?
ऊपर है?
Just a little more, Carrie. Here we are, almost there, at the top of it all. Well, extra pounds to shed off होने वाले हैं पक्का.
Oh, we have chocolates in the car. We have
look
Hershey's
at
in the
that.
car.
चलो,
Instant energy.
कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो at least that will get us all the way to Padam.
Yeah.
Whoa, lovely sightings. Look at Carrie. Oh boy. Yeah, it's pretty trying, especially when you've been on foot for a long time. It's been a very peripatetic morning. A lot of exercise on foot in Lord Buddha.
Now we're gonna...
Look at that. Yes, you were saying?
I was saying now we're gonna find a very comfortable,
Stay.
luxurious stay
Yes.
at Padum. We have earned it.
Yes.
And we'll spend... Oh.
And here he is, his omniscience. Totally worth the effort.
गई मेरी थकान.
The divine one. And Carrie says, "Gai meri thakaan." No wonder. Let's see him from up front. Good Lord. Literally too. बहुत बढ़िया. It's so worth it, everybody. रोड बहुत नीचे रह जाती है, उसके बाद आपको चढ़कर ऊपर आना पड़ता है into the village. But this is the culmination of it all.
I can't believe it.
I'm sure I speak for both of us when I say that this was so worth it, right?
Everything.
Every
worth
point, right? Ah. The snowy peaks are not far off. बहुत ठंडी हवा है. This is the month of June, remember? And I think we're having a bit of snow up there. आइए लॉर्ड की परिक्रमा हो जाए.
Yeah, I'll do that too.
Ah, this is such a joy to the eyes. Lovely.
Thank you.
It's panoramic from up here.
Yep.
There, our friend River Sarap has kept us company for a long time. It still continues into the valley. ये देखिए.
My God, road इतना नीचे, हम इतना ऊपर आए हैं.
हाँ, रोड बहुत नीचे छोड़ दिया हमने. That. Oh, it's deep. Look at that. Oh boy. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna shut off the camera and pay homage like I should. Cheers.
That's how you pray.
That is amazing worship. Shashtang Asana, as we would say. Amazing.
Found some oranges. Found some oranges in the car. Thankfully, something. Still on our way, and this road is known as Road Sarap, and ये एक tributary है जो Sarap River को में join हो रही है. So let's see अभी कच्ची रोड कितनी है, because as far as we can remember एकदम से एक turn आता है and suddenly you're on a highway. So we're just waiting for that turn. So let's see how long takes. Oh, it's snowy up there, and it was raining down here.
Still says 23.
Yeah, 23 kilometers. But see?
Oh,
yeah. And bam!
Right. Carrie was spot on as always. Folks, highway begins. Yeah.
Oh,
memory did
yes.
serve well. Yes. I remember 25, it's 22.
It's 22.
Yes.
Padam 22, and it's smooth sailing from here.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a Spiti line. Look at the right
Yep.
side of it.
क्योंकि वो हल्की सी मेमोरी थी कि बहुत शार्प टर्न आता है अंधेरे में, एंड सडनली you're on this smooth road and we were like yay.
This is still the Sarap road, yeah?
Yes. Wow.
Well done, Carrie.
Entering Padam. Yay! Welcome to Padam.
In good time.
Good time.
Yeah? Which one do I take?
Yeah, ये last time भी confusion हुआ था, this one or that one. I guess left ही से ही लेते हैं.
Okay. It's confusing then. It's confusing
Yeah.
now.
आगे से लेके यहाँ से अंदर जहाँ पे वो वाइट कार चल रही है वहाँ से एंटर होंगे. It's cold. It's very cold and it's very windy. We have reached Padam and we have just asked here for the room, but ये full लग रहा है. एंड वी आर हेल्पिंग दीज गाइज बिकॉज ये अगर आप देख रहे हैं 2 कॉप्स जा रहे हैं आगे. सो यहाँ पे यूजुअली क्या होता है, यहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स नो पार्किंग का बोर्ड लगा है. अगर आपने नो पार्किंग के बोर्ड के आसपास अपनी गाड़ी पार्क कर दी तो कॉप्स आके हवा निकाल देते हैं टायर की. सो यही हुआ है इनके साथ भी. सो वी हैड अ पंप. So yeah, we are just helping them, and then we'll find some other stay. We are thinking we'll go to this hotel Mark, and the weather is bad and it's cold, very cold. So let's see. And again we are hungry. नहीं खाया है, सुबह एक परांठा खाया था and then we had oranges and that's all. So yeah, let's see what happens.